everybody, this is my first YouTube video, and this is Miss Peach. So make sure to subscribe, and today we are going to be making slime. So you need 2 bowls and paint of your choice. So, oh, oopsies. I'm going to use this for today. So what I do is I pour in the glue first. If you want it to be fluffy, then you put in shaving cream. So first I'm going to put this in, but I don't want fluffy slime for today. I'm so bad at this. Okay, good enough. Next you put in your baking soda. And so for about this amount, I'll put in 1/2 teaspoon. And then you mix with a spatula or whatever fully. Okay, you mix it all in. And then what you do next is a little at a time you take your saline solution. And little at a time, I mean. So what you do is you do little at a time, and then you mix. And then this is the activator, so that's what makes it like slime. So of course this isn't done yet, but yeah, so that's probably enough right now. Mix, keep mixing. It's starting to get there. It's still a little sticky, so it gets better each time. So I haven't made it with this kind of glue in a long time. Oh, it has to be Elmer's glue. So make sure that you are using Elmer's glue. Okay. Here it is. So it might be a little sticky at first. You put your one bowl away, then you get your next bowl. And then this is the bowl where you start using it by hand. This one is not my best slime, really. It's not. I have really good slimes, but obviously this one isn't my best. So I probably put in too much baking soda. Okay. Now, I still like it though. I'm still keeping it. Okay. And I'm going to show you how some of my other slimes turned out that I made a while ago. So I have like this all over my hands. Ew. Okay. Okay, so this is my first slime. It's I call it Peach slime. My name is my YouTube video's name is Peach, so I thought it would be cool. So, and then in here it has flown balls. I made this one. You can tell has a different texture because it is fluffy slime. So, I put in shaving cream. It can be either one of these. I mean, I only had this left, so I used it. And then I put in foam balls. Foam won't work because it'll just like fall out, and it's a mess. I have a slime like that. Okay, here's my next slime. It's super stretchy, and this color is like my favorite color. So yeah, I mean, it was way better when I first made it. Usually slime is like that way. Okay, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, which is glowslimes10. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and go on my Musical.ly, which is Girl07, and I mean O, not 07. My YouTube is Miss Peach. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.